in introduction. Kachogornale, Mamuruta Reina. Mamuruta, how are you?
I'm good.
You good? So, can you take Moya Paseka, Mona? Moya Paseka, can you put a fella from Thursday, Monday, Thursday, till today? The scriptures is being well over. She touches away now. Or you're home, no horrors to push on how it's way.
From the beginning of the year up until now,
yeah.
I'm touched by, here's my scripture, Philippians 4 verse 13.
Yeah.
And I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
Yeah.
So, Jane, give me love.
So now, can I give you another question? What's of A1? In everything Irahalan, Sadia minister. How do you what role do you play in your journey Limuruti, like watching him Monday to Sunday from the 1st of January till the 20th of December, looking at him, I prepare everything. How does what do you play in that part?
I normally tell people that more and me as being a minister's wife, there's nothing much. Mine is to be there for him, support him through thick and thin. Prayer wise, spiritually wise, physically wise, emotionally wise, that's me for him.
So now, one last question. You've been with him since I'm minister. After the last conversation we had.
Yes.
So, in his ministry, with you being in his life, through his low moments and his big moments, the moment that you remember very well, to being who he is today.
I'm not quite sure.
Yeah.
But what I know is that whenever he faces challenges, he knows Ndoba, there's only one place he can run to, which is God and his family. So there's nothing that surpasses that. It's Modimo first and then his family. Even if Utwa in Israel for as long as he knows that Modimo Nalien, family Nalien, that's where he gets his strength.
That's where he gets it. And then now, about you. You know the space Olungoson and how big of this space. Many people available in Mamuruti, but it is somehow a calling for Mamuruti. And then for you being Mamuruti Wamawesili, how has it been? I feel later next time when you come up to, but now in your witty since me being Mamuruti from day one till today.
No, honestly, it's not an easy journey.
Yeah.
Secondly, as you've said, most people don't believe it, Hori. It's actually a calling. Not everyone can be a Mamuruti.
Yeah.
I believe, Hori, in as much as it is not an easy journey. One thing with me, why it's Modimo holiday.
Yeah.
Nothing can separate us from the love of God.
Holiday,
man.
next time I get a cup of tea.
Thank you.